Okay, someone wanted me to do a bike check with this Mothership frame that I got here. And I'm gonna do it. I do a trick at the end, because I just learned 360-ish. Yeah, 360s, but it's raining. You can tell. Been raining for about 20 seconds in the video. Start from the front. Grippy grips. You got these grippy Vans Colt grips. Very literally grippy grips. Broken Colt bar ends. Same as my other bike. Volume alpha bars. Shadow Conspiracy Strike top load stem. Odyssey R25 forks. Yeah. With the little fork bolt. Oh yeah, I always forget this part, so I'll do United. Yeah, get that shit in there. United. I always forget headset, there we go. Yeah, what they were called. Shadow Conspiracy Peg. G-Sport Hub Guard with the strings on. Shadow Conspiracy Raptor with some loose spokes. Got the Shadow Conspiracy spokes. Shadow Conspiracy stun rim and copper FAF and tan 2-point fucking horrible. There. United Mothership. That's it. United. The same thing in the back. Fit FAS button 2.10. They're really small. Don't get them. Unless if you're racing or some shit. Shadow Conspiracy Hub Guard. I keep losing train of thought. It's fucking raining hard as shit. Shadow Conspiracy Stone, same as front. Raptor, left-hand drive. Same peg in front. These shitty pedals, I hate them. Especially when my feet are wet. Here. And on this side. You know it's stay like that. Got a mirror sticker. Mutiny cinch. Spline drive cranks. Oh, okay, I thought that would work. Very nice. I bought the set. I recommend buying the set because it comes with this and the Octad or whatever the fuck it's called, Sprocket Mutiny. The set comes with it. It's like $50 by itself. Cranks are like $150 itself. Shadow chain, yeah. Wow, my mind is off today. Subros, ha. Zombieland seat. Very nice seat. And I forget to say. Oh yeah, poverty seat post. I assume that people would want to hear the hub. So let's get this float tin boat afloating. You know what? Forgot I even said anything. Okay. I'm gonna pedal it a few times. It's pretty swag. See if you can understand it. Now that's swag. Oh yeah, this is female axle. Shut the fuck up. It's this female axle. So yeah, someone told me to do a bike check like 3 months ago. I just did it now. So I should be having to edit out for the summer.